beautiful people, welcome back again to the channel. It's your favorite girl, my JEmmieGold. So guys, in today's video my kids will be opening their Christmas gift. So today is 24th of December. Normally I don't know when they open gifts, maybe it's on Christmas Day or on Christmas Eve, I don't know, but there is this group on Facebook that I am. It is African Moms in Deutschland, which is like we Africans that are living here in any Deutschland, like in Norway. Is Norway Deutschland? No, like something like Australia, Germany, and any other country speaking Dutch. So in the group, they posted it there that gift is normally opened on Christmas Eve or Christmas morning, and now my kids are too excited to open their gifts, as in every day they are just going there. Even the Christmas tree, they did not allow the Christmas tree to rest. So the gifts or the Christmas tree might not be perfect. I am in Nigeria, I'm in Africa, so where I come from, we don't normally do this. Yeah, we do this, but not like in this fancy way. And sharing of gifts, no. So I think this is the first time like we'll be doing this Christmas tree decoration of a thing as a family, as in my own family, small family, and sharing of gifts for my presenting of gifts for my kids. I do buy them things, so don't get me wrong, I do buy my kids gifts. So yeah, so we'll be doing the unboxing together. So enjoy the video, and if you're yet to subscribe, make sure you do. Subscription is free, and when you subscribe, make sure to click the notification bell beside the subscription button so that you will get notified whenever I upload a new video. And I want to say a huge thank you to everybody for supporting my channel. I really do appreciate you guys. We are 2,500 stronger. Thank you guys so much. So continue watching. Guys, the first Christmas gift is a bicycle. So Obi got this for testimony. So this is our first Christmas gift. So now we are going to unbox the rest of the gift. So keep watching. Baby, pause this thing. Wow.
For you.
No, that is for Jaden. You are helping Jaden. You are helping Jaden. Good girl. Wow, that is for Jaden. Yeah, beautiful. And that is for testimony. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, open the one at your back. There is more at your back. Yes, open it. It's for testimony, from testimony school. Yes, open it. Wow, what is that? Fly is butterfly. Yes, that is from testimony school. Wow. Okay, open the other one. Gobe. What is that?
Butterfly.
Wow. Oh yeah, go and put it on the tree. Yes. Oh yeah, stand up and put it on the tree.
Okay.
Put it on the tree. Hang it somewhere. Anywhere you like. Ta-da! SHEIN. SHEIN. Okay, oh yeah. Daddy, please come and help us. She needs to open this.
Thank you, Daddy. Wow.
Wait now, don't do like a mama. Wait.
Which one be mama?
Wow.
Wait now.
This for me.
I know it's for you. It's for testimony.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Wait now.
Mama, vate. Okay. Oh, she's so happy.
I wish I still buy this one for me when I small. Thunder, fire, poverty.
Yeah, thunder, fire, poverty. Ta-da!
Wait.
Wow, that's true.
Then, wait. What's in?
Wow, a fig. Ta-da-da-da-da-da. Baby, open
You
Jaden's
come on
own
hand
too.
there. Wait for Jaden.
Yeah, that is for Jaden. Mama, Leka. Okay. Yeah, and that is for Jaden. That is Kleiner. Jaden's own is Kleiner. It's very
No
small.
chopper more.
Jaden's own is very small. Mama, do you like
Yeah.
it? Maybe does it play music? Does it have music?
Yeah, they use battery.
Do we have to pull battery? I think it does.
Yeah, use battery. Baby.
Okay, okay. I'll go and bring back battery. Let me bring battery.
Ready.
Yes. So we are putting battery. Mama, take another one. What will you say? Won't you say thank you?
Wow! Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Do you like it?
Wait.
Oh! Stop! Daddy, stop!
Wait now.
Daddy, are you a baby?
Wait. I am.
Mama, do you like
Nah, give me
it?
your hand here. Yeah.
Jaden is just wondering where what they are doing. Jaden doesn't have music. No music. No music. Yes. Baby, we still have one more to open now. You know.
What's this? Wow.
Mama, your shoe is so beautiful. You want to wear it?
That time they will use broom.
Broom,
measure my leg.
Yes.
Oh, and they up there, they wash our parents. They will use broom, measure my leg. Carry and go.
And our Christmas clothes back then is always big.
Not even big baby. My senior brother, the one we wear finish, 9 years ago wear. Come to town again next year. My junior brother go wear them.
Wow.
God, I beg.
So Jaden doesn't have much present because Jaden is still small, and Jaden has lots of toys, especially cars. Iya oh,
Quack, quack.
quack quack iya oh. Mama, Oya, stand up and play for us. Oya, stand up and dance.
Come on, go. Don't hold it there. Come like this.
Baby, leave her, she will learn.
Okay.
Mama, Oya, what is that? Oya, touch A. Mama, Oya, touch A.
A,
Touch, okay.
B, C,
9.
Start afresh.
Start again.
A,
Yes.
B,
Yes.
C,
Yes.
D,
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
E. Yes.
Yeah.
F,
F.
G,
Okay.
H,
Mhm.
I,
Mhm.
J,
Mhm.
K,
Mhm.
M,
Mhm.
M,
Mhm.
N,
Uh-huh.
O,
Mhm.
P,
Okay.
Q,
Okay.
R,
Okay.
S,
Yeah.
T,
Yeah.
B,
U.
U,
Mhm.
V,
Mhm.
W,
Yeah.
S,
Yeah.
Y,
Yeah. I love you.
Clap for yourself. Mama, Oya, what color is N? Oya, touch color red.
red,
Yes. Touch yellow.
yellow,
Yes, touch yellow. Touch yellow. Jaden, why are you with that now? Mama, yeah, touch yellow.
Touch yellow.
Touch yellow.
Yellow.
Yeah,
Touch.
Yellow, 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 yellow.
Yeah, good
touch
job.
Blue. Now touch blue.
Blue,
Yeah.
blue, blue, blue,
Yeah. Touch
Green.
green,
Yeah.
green,
Yeah. Touch red.
Good.
red.
Yeah, clap for yourself. Good job.
Yeah.
So we have to open the last gift. Mama, see, wow, let me see your shoe. Wow, Oga, hey. Oh yeah, play, dance. Okay, dance. Okay, so now this is the last gift, and I got this personally for my daughter. You know, the dad got a bicycle, so I got her this personally. So baby, please open for us. I couldn't wrap it because it will chop wrapping paper, so I didn't bother to wrap it. So this came from, I think I bought it from Amazon or eBay. I can't really remember. eBay, yeah. So let's open. She's happy with what is it called?
Guitar.
The guitar, yes. Look at that. Mama, what are you doing? I've hold it now. Ta-da! Ta-da! Yeah! So, okay, she wants to drop it.
This one.
Okay, so this is what I got personally. That is a kitchen because she loved assisting me in the kitchen. So I thought, okay, it would be a nice idea, you know, to get her own kitchen.
Testimony kitchen.
Yeah.
Yes, testimony kitchen. Leka, do you like it? Do you love it? I think we are the one that arranged it, right?
Yeah.
That's just me.
Yeah.
Yes,
I know
it's
you.
for
Wait. I know it's you. Wait.
Daddy will help you to arrange it, okay?
Wow. That's toys.
Yeah.
Wow.
Easy.
Wow.
You love it?
Yeah.
You like it?
Never say no.
Wow, you have lot of toys.
1, 2,
So that is like a manual, Abby.
It's mine. It's not the yes, the man. This one, wait.
and that.
So let's arrange together. So I'm going to see you guys shortly after arranging. So continue watching.
Okay. No, I'm doing for my baby.
Wow, Daddy did a wonderful job arranging this thing. It took us about 2 hours, I think. I love the kitchen. It makes sound. We still need to fix the water. Baby, you have not fixed the water. The water now. So it just makes sound and testimony, you're cooking. What are you cooking? Okay. You are cooking. Very good though. Thank you all so much for watching, and as you can see, I didn't get any gifts. Can you imagine? My man didn't get me any gift. Is that fair? Is that fair? That is totally not fair. It is not fair. But I know what to do. You refuse to give me gifts. No problem. So thank you all so much for watching. So it's morning, so I want to, like, take care of the house, take care of the kids, take care of myself. I've not had my bath. I've not even brushed my teeth. Hey, because the kids are so excited. So thank you all so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate. Keep supporting the girl. I'm going to see you guys again on Christmas Day, hopefully. So bye.